Again up. Saan ba yung Magic Planet?
Ako ko nakita yung Magic Planet.
Hindi galing ako dun. Ah, ayan, salamat. Salamat. Yeah, things like that normally up on the top. I was looking. Magic Planet ba to? Ayan. They are here. I need to find them here. My two beautiful friends. I have two beautiful friends here. When you come, Peter, I will bring them with you. My two beautiful friends. Sana kaya sila? I don't know where ako ang ina. Ang ganda. Hi, Mama! How are you? Ganda ng buhok mo, ah. Go with Jude. Asan si Jed? This one, Peter, I make her big. Crispy, hi. Crispy, happy Valentine's. Sarap pakulot. Hi, Jed. Happy Valentine's. This Peter, my beautiful friend. And then that one. This single. Ready to mingle. Ay, naka-yellow. Tropa kulot. Yeah, tropa kulot. How are you? How are you daw, Jed? Mainit, Jed. Ang init na. Ang init ng jacket ko. Hindi, ganito lang. Bigay ko to kay Rama. Rama, what you have here? Money? Why hasn't it didn't come? Parang mas lalo maya, magbabay na ako. Peter, bye-bye na because I will stay with them until 3. Oo, mayroon pa. Wala na. Thank you so much, Peter. Have a nice day and happy Valentine's Day. Thank you. You too. Enjoy with your son. Bye-bye. Enjoy your day. Thank you. I will relive when I go back home. Inshallah. I will relive later. I'll dance later. Thank you. Thank you so much.